Hello, guys. Good evening. Such a happy weekend today. My name is Vikan Charik, and if this is the first time you're coming to my channel, then I'm an entrepreneur. I have my company in Bangalore, and I am a public speaker too. Today, I just want to discuss a little bit about a dream. Dream is an overused word. We keep on using this word, the term dream. But do you have one? Don't lie yourself. Many of us don't have a dream. But that's okay, we will have. With that thought, we've been postponing many years. Many of us, we don't have a dream and we want to fulfill someone else's dream. It can be a parent's dream, or it can be a friend's dream, or it can be any other dreams. We want to fulfill others' dream, but we ignore our dream. Just imagine if your parents want to have a home, they want to construct a beautiful home, and you don't have a dream, but you want to fulfill that dream. Or if any one of your siblings wants to fulfill their dream, so you are also in that process and you want to fulfill that dream, but you don't have a dream. You want to help them with the knowledge, you want to help them in terms of finance, but as you're not having a dream, you're not able to get involved in them. I'll tell you how to fulfill the dreams and how you can fulfill your dream as well. But before that, you need to have a dream. If you're not having a dream, it is not too late. Get one. All right? So, this is how you can fulfill others' dream and your dream as well. If the other dream, the person that you love, has a dream, and if you want to fulfill that dream, let me tell you the secret. You must have a bigger dream. Imagine you have a dream to become a very successful person, but be specific. Imagine that you have a dream to become a millionaire. How many people's life can change if you become one? And how many people's dream can be fulfilled when you fulfill your dream? But if you're not having a dream, you're not going to achieve anything. This is fact. What you don't have in your mind, you cannot turn that into a reality. Everything starts from here. So you need to have a dream to fulfill that other's dream. Bottom line, if you're not having a dream, get one. If you want to fulfill others' dream, then you need to set a bigger dream for yourself, so others' dreams can be easily fulfilled. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be more frequent in YouTube now or in other media outlets. So catch me, and I would love to hear how you learn, what you learn from this video. Thank you so much.